Welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors.
Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. Look at the plumber Marife.
Hi.
I'm teaching her how to do stuff so she can take care of herself after I'm dead and gone. Don't have to call a repairman. She can just do this stuff by herself. Huh? Huh? Gritting your teeth doesn't help any.
Wait. Move.
Okay, well you need to go up and down is what you need to do. All right, come over, come above it and go down. Turn the saw over.
Like that?
Yeah. Put your hand like this. Come over to this side, I guess. Oh, I thought this would be handier. I could have her do stuff while I'm doing other stuff. It looks like I'm sitting here filming her at the same time, so it's not really...
Put that in tripod. Need to be straight?
Straight would really help a lot, yeah.
What's this?
Keep going. Don't know what that is. Don't care.
Go ahead.
Jesus Christ.
Guys.
Don't bend the pipe.
No, you did it. Oh.
There you go.
What else?
Where'd that white stuff come from?
Maybe here. I don't know.
Okay, go get the glue and the brush.
Glue and brush.
Okay, glue that up real good.
It's clear, nice. And the inside too?
All the outside, not the inside? Go back about this far, hon. Okay, the inside of this one.
This one?
Inside.
Inside.
There you go.
More?
Well, this is completely covered. It's good.
Good.
Okay, hold this part here. I don't think you'll be able to push it hard enough. You get one chance is all you get. I put one of these up on the tank and it just leaks right out the top of it. Oh, it's the wrong way. I glued the wrong side.
Can't remove that. I'll redo.
It's glued on. Get one chance is all you get.
That's why you make it sure that
Oh, that wasn't sure.
logo.
Oh, sorry. That's to stop the water. We don't really care about that.
Oh, okay.
This is for filling a bucket if you need to.
Ah, that's very nice.
Pretty smart, huh?
Oh, I know
Okay.
you.
Why don't you watch what you're filming there instead of just looking in space?
What else do you want me to do?
Oh, a little of this right here would be nice, and other than that, I don't know. And you can see it's all cobbled up here, guys. PVC. I tried to go along the board, but I had to go up because I had to go on top of the board with a T. Then my T had threads inside of it. Luckily I had a piece that didn't. So I was able to cobble it together. Alright, next thing is the...
I use it once.
Thanks for watching. Take care.